Just face the rising sun, and you see hope, and there's no need to run. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll make you feel alright. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me,